This match is set for one fall. Introducing first, from Chicago, Illinois, Erick Random. And his challenger, from down the street, Herbert, the bird lover.
Pretty bird. Do it, cat. Do it, Pee-wee. Were you recording this whole time? Let's get this over with. I gotta go in for my sponge bath. Thank you.
Ding ding ding.
Oh.
Erick Random is infuriated. Throat chokes him.
Life insurance.
Oh my gosh, he's choking him. Oh, wait, stop. Oh, what a takedown by Erick Random. Erick Random has been in control in this match ever since the beginning.
I'll call for a timeout. Can you call a timeout?
Nope, there's no calling timeouts, Erick.
Oh, please. I'm 67 years old. Grants.
What do you want?
Ugh.
That is nasty.
Please turn around real quick.
Damn it.
Oh, my injured self. Ow.
What is that spray you're taking out?
The spray? Oh, I bought this at the supermarket. It's called the sham spray.
The sham spray. Oh my gosh!
Go. Let's do this.
The sham. It must be him. Look at him go. It must have been years since he wrestled, and now he's back.
Ah, maybe. Let's go. Oh God, what are you doing? Come on.
Who would have known that Jack Bastard was the old man down the street the whole time? What a kip up. Erick Random sees in trouble. 1, 2, 3. Ding ding ding. Jack Bastard is the winner.